If you're going to do it, do it. If you can't do it, don't say you can do it. Don't over-leverage yourself. Don't over-leverage a decision and then jump in and kind of dip a toe. I think I'll try it out. No, think if you're going to try it out beforehand, but when it's time to go, dive. Finish it. Find out. Come out the other side. Don't leave it and go, ooh, if I just would have. That keeps me up at night. I think it keeps a lot of us up at night. When you half-ass something you just don't know, whether you failed or succeeded, got what you want or didn't get what you want, finding out and looking in the mirror and going, I didn't half-ass it, I went all the way, I found out, and that ain't for me. Or I found out, and you damn right that is for me. That's a great place to get to.
पंजाब सीनियर कहना
Lights will guide you home and ignite you.
To bidden adieu to Major Aman Jagtap. So Aman, finally the D-Day has arrived. It's again mixed with emotions that we all are saying goodbye to you very early. Now when I look back to this journey of last 5 years, I can still recollect the day you joined us in Binagudi, where we all welcomed you with a lot of expectations and leaving a lot of responsibilities on your shoulder. And I'm sure everyone will agree with me that you lived up to each one of it. You picked up the wire quickly and aligned yourself to the grid of army, and you lived up to the expectations of our Paltan. From there, allotment events, together we took part, we rubbed our shoulders and seen each other more closely. So I can say, Aman, you are an amazing officer, a wonderful human being with a lot of talent and creativity. Again, with your unwavering commitment, sense of responsibility, and I must say leadership also, you brought a lot many laurels to the mantelpiece of 23 Punjab, and you have proved the same at multiple fronts, like volunteering for the Republic Day Parade and getting selected to command the regiment contingent, and from there taking the regiment to the Bastille Day Parade in France. You were always there for the Paltan whenever the Paltan needed you. Now, as you are embarking to this new chapter of life, we wish you all the best, and I am sure that the lessons you learned here, the exposure you have experienced here, will definitely help you to sail through in your next innings. Be in touch. We are always here for you. We wish you all the best, and definitely we will miss you. You will be missed, buddy. Take care.
Today only I come to know that you are leaving army, and it was a quite shock for me as well. I know you are the one who knows it best. Whatever I have seen, I have observed. You are a great guy, a great soul, very hardworking, and never to die attitude. Keep these things up, and Hopefully we'll meet again. I'm always there for you, and definitely we'll catch up very soon. And all the very best for your new innings.
Jain sir, first of all, I'd like to congratulate you on getting selected at King's College London. Secondly, sir, it's been an amazing time with you. I've learned a lot. I've had fun a lot. Shortly within a week, I came to know I met my friends, and when I mentioned 23 Punjab, they were saying to Aman ki unit ka aega. There I came to know the fame and the popularity you hold outside the army as well. Then when I relieved you at Kazi Langar, there I got to know everything about Kazi Langar, the way you explained, the way you learned, the way I learned from you. It was an amazing time, sir. I'd like to say that the life lessons that you gave me, it's been an amazing time. I'm really thankful to have such a senior. And sir, I surely look forward to meeting you in Pathankot again, sir. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind, sir.
Good luck and best wishes to you, Aman, for your future life and career. Aman, you have been an excellent officer, and I'm sure you will do excellent in your field, in whichever field you have always given your 100% for this Paltan, and this Paltan will always remember you. I will always be in contact with you. Whenever you get time and you come to Bihar, do visit my home. I'll try to arrange each and everything for you.
Hey Aman, as your release date has come, that is 6th March 25, it was really heartful, meeting you, full of life, and the kind of person you are, and the kind of put-in you've been doing for the unit as your professional skills in the unit. Never say no attitude, making laurels for the country, the unit, and for all of us. I just can say you're a guy who's larger than life. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best for your family life, for your personal front as well as your professional front, and of course for your second innings.